Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check the Google form responses. So if you have already shared your Google form to the respondents and you want to check the result or their answer to the Google form, here's how to do it. So first, open your Google Drive and then open the Google form file. And then after that, just go to the responses tab in here, and here you can actually check the answer here, but you can also check it in the Google Sheets. So you need to export it first, and to check it on the Google Sheets you just need to click on this one buttons, and here you'll be able to see in the form of table in Google Sheets, and it will be automatically open and creating a new Google Sheets files like this. And after that you can just check the result in here. Okay, so that's it. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe and click thanks. Bye.